Hey, Mr. Hi, I am Lucky and I am going to show you how can you make your normal Android into the O phone which is not launched but its launcher has been launched. I will show my Samsung Galaxy Core Prime. It is KitKat. I will show you. Look, KitKat. Android 4.4.4. Okay friends. So first of all go to your Play Store and search for O Launcher 8.4 Android TMO Oreo Launcher. I have downloaded it, so I don't download it. Okay, I open it. O Launcher. It is too fantastic launcher. Let's go. Next. Android O or circular theme Android O you want. Choose a drone. Dark I choose. Pixel style or classic. I think pixel style all button or icon size you want to choose. Next, now I will apply it and set default launcher. Always I have clicked. Okay, got it. Now my phone has been made into old launcher. There will be tips given for wow. Same to same old launcher. Look, you can look my system. Now open the app. Wow, what fabulous camera. Apps. Wow, fabulous. Wow, look how fabulous it is. ओके थैंक यू फ्रेंड, नमस्कार। अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने भाई और कब तक आप लोग ये फ्री की वीडियो देखते रहेंगे यार। अब तो सब्सक्राइब और लाइक कर दें और घंटी जरूर दबाएं क्योंकि मेरे नए टेक्निकल वीडियो सबसे पहले पहुंचे आप तक।